After-school programs at risk at Leon County schools. That's after the district says one of their grants was cut by $500,000. I'm Mayor Sargent in Southwest Tallahassee. Now, these programs are currently up and running, but right now, the district says they do not have the funds to sustain these programs through the end of the school year. More funding troubles for Leon County schools as they face a shortfall in funding for their after-school programs.
And we're notified instead of receiving that $2.1 million, we were only going to receive $1.6 million.
Hannah says that leaves them with a $500,000 gap in funding, a significant amount when he tells me their budget is already really tight.
We're able to get up and running this week on the monies that we do have. But they will not be able to sustain us for the entire school year.
The programs exist at 14 schools. 4 of those are operated by the United Way of the Big Bend.
The last thing we want to do, especially with elementary kids, as soon as school gets out, is send them home to put them on the streets.
LCS recently balanced their budget after months of funding struggles. There was also relief when over $5 million of federal funds that had been frozen were released. During this time, LCS went to the Children's Services Council of Leon County for funding help. Hannah says because of this shortfall, these conversations are back on the table.
Hopefully the Children's Services Council again will step up as they were willing to do before to ensure that our children are receiving everything they need to set them up for success.
I reached out to the CSC, who tells me they stand ready and willing to fill that gap through the end of the school year, if and when it's needed. The Children's Services Council says they expect a formal request to be presented to the board. That will take place at a meeting in the fall. In Southwest Tallahassee, Mayor Sargent, ABC 27.